Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we will be seeing how you can add marketplace on your Facebook. So let's get right into it. The first thing that you want to do is open your Facebook app. And now here you can see that I don't have any marketplace tab on my phone. So the first step is to go on menu. Click on menu on the bottom right corner of your phone and then scroll down to settings and privacy. Click on it and then click on settings. And then scroll down to preferences, and in the preferences you can see a tab bar. Click on it and then click on customize the bar, and here you can see the marketplace is on the hidden bar. Simply just click on the hidden button that you see right next to marketplace and then click on pin. And now marketplace has been pinned to your Facebook. On the navigation bar on the bottom of my phone, you can see there is now marketplace, and you can go back to your feed and the marketplace will still be there. And that was it. That is how you can add your marketplace on your Facebook. If it was helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.